Hey, we're back with the Don Man. Today making ackee and saltfish.
And I have the ackee in the stove cooking. And number one, I soak my saltfish overnight because it's salty, so I soak it from overnight. So I have the ackee in the stove. Then I'm about to put the saltfish in there. And the ackee be finished cooking 20 minutes. It take like 20 minutes to cook. So first I put the ackee in the stove, make it boil, and put the saltfish in it. So now make it cook for 25 minutes. After the ackee and the saltfish finish cook, I'll be back and show you if we finished prepared. Okay, now my ackee and the saltfish is finished cooked. Now I'm about to fry it up, get it all together. First I'm putting my onions in my grease. My grease is hot. Next I put my saltfish in. Onion first in the grease. Fry it up. Second step is my fish. And now I got to salt the edges. Salt all these up. Yes. Then I'm making some fried dumpling with my ackee and saltfish. Now I'm getting to put my dumpling in the grease. My grease got to be hot. I got some black peppers. Let's see when you get to finish. Rush. Okay, my ackee and saltfish is all finished on my fried dumpling. And there's the plate right here, get ready to eat. Thank you very much for watching and have a blessed day.
Like, comment, and subscribe.